In this video, I'll show you how to download GTA San Andreas on your laptop or PC. First, open a browser and search for Rockstar Games. Click on the official Rockstar Games website from the results. Once you're on the home page, go to the top right corner and click the search icon. Now type GTA San Andreas into the search bar. You should see the game appear in the results. This is one official way to download it. Another method is through Steam. Open the Steam app or go to the Steam website and use the search bar to type GTA San Andreas. Click on the game from the list, enter your date of birth if prompted, then click View Page. Next, click Add to Cart, then Continue to Payment to purchase and download the game, and that's it. You've now learned two simple ways to download GTA San Andreas on your PC or laptop. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.